Hey, why are people moving to Kansas City for the jobs? What is it that they know that you don't know? What type of jobs are available here in the Kansas City metro? And what industries actually make up the Kansas City job market? Well, today in this video, we are breaking down the 4 powerhouse employers that shape the Kansas City's economy. We're going to talk about how many people they employ, what kind of new jobs that they are bringing to the market, what are they paying their employees, and most importantly, what is the economic impact on the Kansas City market in real dollars. So look, if you're considering a move to the Kansas City area for work, this is the video that shows you why this metro is booming, but more importantly, what opportunities you'll find here that may work best for you. Let's start with just a quick overview of Kansas City. The KC metro area has over 2.1 million people, and our economy is incredibly diverse and healthy. It consists of tech, healthcare, logistics, engineering, and advanced manufacturing, all playing huge roles in our economy. Tech alone employs over 77,000 people, contributing to nearly 10% of the region's economic output. We're not a one-industry town, and the 4 employers we're talking about today demonstrate exactly why Kansas City continues to grow. Let's start with our first employer, and that's going to be Oracle Health. Now, Oracle Health used to be known as Cerner, and Cerner is one of the most influential companies in Kansas City history. It grew into one of the world's largest healthcare IT companies, and in 2022, Oracle bought Cerner in a $28 billion acquisition, rebranding the healthcare unit as Oracle Health. At its peak, Cerner employed over 13,000 people locally. Today, after restructuring, Oracle Health still employs about 6,400 people in the metro, making it an anchor for high-skilled tech employment. So if you want to know what people get paid at Oracle, let's talk about some of the different categories. At the bottom of the pay scale, you've got the data analysts, and they're going to make somewhere between $65,000 and $100,000. After that, you've got software engineers that are somewhere between $85,000 and $135,000. And if you're a senior software engineer, you're looking at $120,000 to $165,000. Now, technical project managers, they're between $95,000 and $140,000, and implementation consultants, $70,000 to $115,000. So your average salary is somewhere between $105,000 and $110,000, which is higher than the average for the KC metro area, which is about $72,000, and the nation, which is about $68,000. Now, in terms of what kind of an impact Oracle Health has on the economy, well, here's where the numbers really get impressive. The annual impact, economic impact, is $2.0 to $2.5 billion per year, with an annual payroll in excess of $650 million. And here's what's interesting. For every one Oracle job, it creates an additional 1.8 jobs in the Kansas City metro. Even after restructuring, Oracle remains one of the largest contributors to Kansas City's tech economy. It fuels thousands of jobs, shopping centers, real estate, retail, as well as startups throughout the metro. Hey, by the way, if we haven't met before, my name is Chris Pucci, and I help people just like you make a nice, smooth transition into the Kansas City metro. In addition to that, I post videos just like this that share everything there is about Kansas City. So if you want to learn more about Kansas City and stay up to date on what's happening, subscribe to the channel by simply tapping on the bell below. Oh, and if you are thinking about making a move to the Kansas City area, I'd love to help you make that smooth transition and find your house in that perfect neighborhood. Are you into healthcare? If so, we're going to talk about HCA Midwest, which is the largest healthcare system in the Kansas City region. And that's saying quite a bit because we have several large healthcare employers. Now, HCA Midwest employs approximately 10,000 people, and it is one of the biggest private employers in the metro. It anchors one of the most stable, recession-proof employment sectors. And as far as salaries go, well, at the bottom of the pecking order is medical technologists. They earn anywhere from $55,000 to $75,000. And if you're a registered nurse, you're going to be paid somewhere between 70 and the low to the high of $95,000. And if you are a nurse practitioner, you're going to start in six figures at about 105 to a high of 140. And if you're a physician's assistant, again, you're starting at the six-figure level, 105 to 135. And at the top of the pyramid, you've got physicians. They're starting at 250 to 500,000 plus. So the average salary is somewhere around $82,000 to $90,000. Again, higher than both the KC and the nation. And like Cerner, HCA Midwest has a significant impact on the economy. In terms of annual economic impact, think $1.5 to $2 billion. Payroll, $700 million plus annually. And like Cerner, for every one healthcare job, it creates 2.3 additional jobs in the economy. So, healthcare, just so you'll know, is one of Kansas City's strongest economic pillars, and HCA is at the center of it. These are stable, long-term careers that keep the region healthy both medically as well as economically. Hey, when you're traveling across town or even out of state, say you're going from one city to the next, do you use a GPS system to navigate you there? Well, if you do, you're most likely using a GPS technology that was developed by Garmin, and that's our next employer. Garmin is a global tech brand headquartered right here in Olathe, Kansas. They are a global leader in GPS and wearable technology in everything from aviation, automotive, marine, fitness, as well as outdoor products. The company has over 20,000 employees worldwide and more than 4,000 associates at its U.S. operational headquarters in Olathe. Now, Garmin has been expanding their campus, and they're investing in their employment wellness facilities as well as R&D space, which reinforces the fact that Olathe is going to be its headquarters long term. Now, let's talk income. If you are someone who, let's say, is a manufacturing tech, you're going to make between $45,000 and $65,000. If you're a software engineer, $90,000 to $130,000. Firmware engineers make a little bit more, $95,000 to $145,000. Mechanical engineers, $80,000 to $125,000. And at the top of the food chain, product managers, they make $110,000 to $150,000. Average pay, $95,000. Again, well above the metro as well as the nation. Now, in terms of economic impact on the area, they contribute about $1.2 to $1.6 billion. And in terms of annual payroll, we're talking $350 to $450 million. So, if you've ever wondered why Olathe and Southern Johnson County continue to expand with new neighborhoods, new shopping centers, new schools, Garmin is a major reason why. They attract engineers, software developers, and high-income professionals from all over the world. So look, if you're in software, electrical engineering, or advanced manufacturing, Garmin is one of the companies that make the KC Metro a serious option for you instead of just a flyover market. So now we're going to talk about employer number 4, and this is the big one. This is the Panasonic Energy Facility. This is the project everyone nationwide is watching. It is a $4 billion Panasonic EV battery manufacturing plant in DeSoto. It is one of the largest EV battery facilities in the United States. In fact, this is the largest private investment in the state of Kansas and one of the biggest advanced manufacturing developments in the Midwest. In fact, this is a cornerstone project in the Midwest emerging EV battery corridor, and they could have located it anywhere, but they chose Kansas City. And when it's all said and done and fully operational, it's going to generate 4,000 jobs. It's also going to generate an additional 4,000 supplier jobs, and during construction, it's going to create 16,000 construction jobs. Now, the project workforce is going to consist of engineers, technicians, robotic operators, logistics, as well as management. Now, salaries at this plant are going to start as low as $50,000 and go to $150,000. Your production techs, they're at the lower end of the spectrum. They're at $50,000 to $65,000. The quality techs are a hair higher, 55 to 75. Your maintenance techs a little bit higher than that, $70 to $90,000. Engineers, they're going to range somewhere between $95 to a high of $135,000, and supervisors and managers, $85 to $150. Your average salary is about $75 to $105,000 depending on your role. But the real news is the economic impact that they're going to have on the area. It's going to be enormous. The estimated annual impact is $4 billion per year. Over 30 years, it's projected to exceed $120 billion. And as far as job multiplier, the EV manufacturing has one of the highest multipliers at about 2.5 per job. And in terms of expecting new housing, retail, and infrastructure development, we're talking $1 billion plus in just western Johnson County and eastern Douglas County. This plant is going to permanently reshape the growth patterns along the K-10 corridor, and it's going to position Kansas City as a national leader in the electronic vehicle supply chain. So what is the total impact of just these 4 employers? Well, when you combine Oracle, HCA Midwest, Garmin, and Panasonic, the annual economic output is a staggering $8.7 to $10 billion per year. And the annual payroll impact, $1.8 to $2.2 billion per year. And in terms of total jobs supported, 60 to 70,000 jobs across the metro. So what does this mean if you're moving to Kansas City? Well, if you are making a move here, whether for tech, healthcare, engineering, or advanced manufacturing, these companies are creating stability, high-paying jobs, and a strong demand for housing across Johnson County and Jackson County and beyond. Now, these may be the big 4, but there are a number of other major employers who make Kansas City their national headquarters. I'm talking about Hallmark, H&R Block, American Century Investments, Black & Veatch, just to name a few. And because of companies like Garmin, startup tech companies are popping up everywhere throughout the metro. So here's the bottom line. When large companies expand, everyone benefits. Local businesses, schools, real estate, and the future of our regional economy. If you're being recruited by one of these employers, or you are considering a job here in Kansas City, and you want to know which neighborhoods fit your commute, your lifestyle, and your budget, well, that's exactly what I do and how I help people. So if it makes sense to talk, let's set up a time. You can call me, text me, email me, or better yet, you can set up a Zoom call to make it more personal, and I will walk you through the best places to live based on your job and your lifestyle. So do me a favor if you would. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, that way you'll be kept up to date on things happening in Kansas City, and again, if you would, share this video with a friend. Oh, need financing on your next purchase? Let me help. In addition to a realtor, I'm also a lender. So I'm able to help you navigate the process and answer any questions you have. And honestly, my clients like the fact that there's only one point of contact. It streamlines communication and removes the confusion. It makes the whole process far more stress-free and more enjoyable. And if you're not moving to the Kansas City area, but you are relocating somewhere outside your current city, I can help you and put you in touch with a good realtor who I can match you up with your personality and what you're trying to accomplish. So with all that being said, thank you for watching the video. And until then, I look forward to showing you around Kansas City.